I'm Joe from Panasonic Air Conditioning and I'd like to welcome you to the ARBS 2018 stand for Panasonic. This year marks the 100-year anniversary of Panasonic as a company, and so we've put a representation of that in our stand in a display that actually signifies what Panasonic is and how long Panasonic's been in business for. The display has a presentation of our founder, Matsushita, as well as a timeline of our business and where we came from and where we are today. At the show, we've introduced our new range of R32 refrigerant outdoor units from 6 kilowatts up to 14 kilowatt. The product you see here is a 14 kilowatt unit and it stands less than a metre high. Included in the range are 10 kilowatt high wall split system, our under ceiling systems, our cassette range, and our in-ceiling high static and mid-static ducted systems. The other products that were released at the show this year are our large capacity, high static ducted systems, now in a fully splittable configuration. Panasonic has an alliance with Schneider Electric, and this allows us to use the Schneider Electric controls. These are fully integratable controls, which allows us to connect to building management systems, as well as using multiple sensors to increase the efficiency of our air conditioning products. The smart home solution is connected to our Panasonic ducted system, which gives you the ability to have comfort either at the touch of a button or via voice control. Google, I'm hot.
Sure, activating it's hot.
Okay, Google, goodbye.
Okay, activating the goodbye.
Panasonic.